Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly, error 0xc and then a few numbers and then 7b. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. First of all, you're going to search for Control Panel, then you're going to select for Programs. From here, go to Turn Windows Features On or Off, then check the Network Framework 3.5 and the 4.8 are both checked. Then make sure to click OK. Then from here, let it apply all the changes and say approve for any updates that it might require. And then if it tells that you need to restart, just simply click on don't restart. And then until we finish all the steps, then you can go ahead and restart. Then you're going to close this window and then search for this PC, then click on it. Then from here, you're going to go to your local disk C, go to Windows, search for System, which is going to be right here, or System32. And then you're going to search for the input file. Once you find this file, xinput1_3.dll, delete it. Once you have deleted that, go back in the settings and then search for the syswow. This right here, syswow64. Then you're going to approach with the same exact solution, which is going to be uninstalling or deleting the xinput3, which is going to be this file right here, delete. Then after you're done, you're going to close this and go to your web browser that you might like to use. Then search for DirectX. Then you're going to go to DirectX end user runtime, and then you're going to download it from this website right here, the Microsoft official website. Once you download it, you're going to click on it, and then right here, you're going to uninstall it. So accept the agreement term, and then click on next, and then next, and let it install. And hopefully that has helped you to fix that issue. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.